starting the class, again I want to have a recap. I want to tell you about SMS. Yes, what is SMS? We are following it. SMS is social. S is for social distance, M is for mask, S is for soap. So whenever we are out, we should wear a mask. We should maintain a physical distance, and we should use soap to clean our hands, right? So I hope everyone are following SMS. Even I request everyone to please eat a healthy diet, food, fruits, vegetables, and drink hot water to maintain our immunity. So let us start our class. So in the last session we have discussed our exercise 2.4. So today in this video we are going to learn about our rounding of numbers, and we will try to complete our exercise 2.5. So let us start rounding of numbers. What is rounding of numbers? This concept we have already done in our previous grade. Rounding of numbers. Supposingly in your school there are around 1498 or 96 students. Okay. So what you usually say, if someone asks you how many students are there, as you don't know what is the exact number, you might say there are around 1500 students or 2000 students. That number 1500 or 2000 is not the exact number, is not the correct number, right? That is a rounded value, as you don't know that is exact or value. So you say it as some 2000, or this value you call it as rounded value, right? Now supposedly I have taken a number 23. I want to round off 23. So I may round off 23 to 20. So to round off 23, we use round off. We have three types rounding off numbers to 10, 100 and 1000. Let us see how rounding off numbers to 10. So I have taken a 23. Tens, right? This is ones and this is tens. I want to round off 23. So how to round off? So we have two methods. One is of number line method, and the second one is our shortcut method. Okay. Now number line method. So what you do when you are using a number line method? See, 23 is lying between 20 to 30. 23 lies between 20 to 30. So we will write in between numbers like 21, 22, 23 to so on 29 and 30. Okay. Now if you see our 23 is here. 23 is very near to 20, right? 23 is near to 20. So we will round off 23 to 20. When you are rounding to the left side, down side, you call it as rounding down, rounded down. If you are doing on the right side, going to a higher value, you say it as rounded up. Rounded down, rounded up. Similarly, it goes with 100, where you write the numbers on a number line of hundreds, like 200 to 300, 500 to 600. Then you will round off the value. Similarly, it goes with 1000, like 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, and then you see your given value and you will round off according to it, right? We have one more method, that is shortcut method. Shortcut method. Now what is this shortcut method? See, whenever they give the value, if you take the same example 23, let us write what is the place value. This is ones and this is tens place. I am doing rounding off to tens. We are doing rounding off to tens. So whenever you are doing rounding off to tens, you will consider the value, the digit at ones place. Whenever you are calculating, you are doing nearest to tens, you will consider the value at ones. Okay. If you see what is the digit here, it is 3. You will compare the digit at ones place with 5. With 5. Now you see 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So 23 is rounded down, that is to 20. To know this is what is this like? First of all, we should know the given number lies between which two numbers, right? If it is given in 10, 20 to 30. If it is given in 100, that number lies in which two numbers, right? Then only easily we can round off to rounded up or rounded down. If you take 530, I want to do for 10, 100, ones, tens, 100. Now when you are doing for tens, I said that we should consider the digit at ones, right? So whenever you are doing for hundreds, whenever you are doing nearest to 100, you will consider the value at tens place. So then here the digit at tens place is 3. So 3 and 5 you will compare. So 3 is less than 5. So 530 lies between 500 to 600. As this is less than, we will go to the left side, that is 500, rounded down. Our 530 lies between 500 to 600. As 3 is less than 5, we have rounded left side, that is down, rounded down, so our value is 500. Similarly, it goes with thousands. So whenever you are doing for 1000, Now I want to do this as nearest to thousands. So our value 2869 lies between 2000 to 3000, right? So whenever we are doing for 1000, now we will consider the digit at hundreds place. When we are doing for tens, we will consider the ones. When we are doing for 100, we will consider tens. Whenever we are doing for thousands, we will consider the digit at 100 place. Now again we will compare 8 with 5. As 8 is greater than 5, we will move to the higher number rounded up, that is 3000. So this is what we are going to do. When it is nearest to tens, we will consider the digit at ones place. Whenever we are doing nearest to 100, we will consider the digit at tens place. Whenever we are doing nearest to 1000, we will consider the digit at 100 place. This is what we are going to follow. This is our shortcut method. First method is number line method, where we will write the number. Now we will draw the number line and we will write the given number. It lies in between which two numbers and we will round off. Second is the shortcut method, where we will compare the digit with 5. Right? Supposing if it is equal, 5 is equal to 5, then also we will do rounded up. Okay? On the right side. Greater than or equal to means we will do rounded up. Rounded up. If it is less than, then we will do rounded down. Fine. I hope it is very clear how to do nearest to tens, 100 and 1000. Let us move to our exercise 2.5. I request everyone to open page number 122 and write down the first bit. Exercise 2.5, first bit. See what is first one? Round off the following numbers to nearest tens. So first one is 23. 23. So what we are going to do? We will use shortcut method. So 23. Let us write ones. This is tens. So whenever we are doing nearest to tens, this is we will consider the digit at ones place. Here the digit is 3. So as 3 is less than 5, less than means we will do rounded down. Rounded down means it is 20. So 23 is rounded down to 20. Only one step we will check and is it greater than less than. If it is less than, rounded down, greater than, rounded up. Let us see the next one. 146. 146. Don't see this is a 3-digit value, just we are doing nearest to tens. If you see the last 46, so 146 it lies between. So that is like first 146. This is ones, tens, 100. Again we are doing for tens, so we will consider the digit at ones place, that is 6. Now we will compare with 5. As 6 is greater than 5, we said greater than or equal to means rounded up. Less than means rounded down. Right? So this is greater than, rounded up. 146 is rounded to 150. 146 is rounded up to 150. 146 lies between from 140 to 150. This is tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, up to 100. That is tens. 100 means 100, 110, 120, 130 till 200. 1000 means 1000, 1100, 1200, so on till 290 to 2000. Right? If it is greater than or equal to, we will round up. If it is less than, we will round it down. So 23 is rounded to 20, 146 is rounded to 150. Same manner you just do C and D. Let us move to our second bit. the following numbers to nearest to hundreds. So first one is 3496. 3496. Now we are doing nearest to hundreds. 100 means that we will consider the digit at tens place. Let us write it. 3496. Starting from the rightmost, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. We are doing 200, so we will consider the digit at ones place. 9. Now we will compare 9 with 5. As 9 is greater than 5. This is 400. This value lies between 400 to 500. 496. Forget about 3. We are doing 200. So 496 lies between 400 to 500. As this is greater than, we will go with the rounded up, that is 3500. Right? So 3496 is rounded up to 3500. Right? Then let us go with the next second B1. 5998. 5998. Again, if you write place values, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. As we are doing for hundreds, the digit we will consider at tens place, that is 9. Again, 9 is greater than 5. Greater than means rounded up. So 998. So this value lies between 900 to 1000. 998, it lies in between 900 to 1000. As it is greater than, we will move to the 1000. So how much it is? 5000 plus 1000, it will be 6000. So 5998 is rounded up to 6000. 6000. Fine. So what is the first one? As we are doing for hundreds, we will consider the digit at tens place. 9 is greater than 5, we have rounded up. Here also at digit at tens place 9 is greater than 5, we have rounded up to 6000. The same way you can do C and D. Let us move to the last third bit. This is thousands. Third bit is round off nearest to thousands. The first one is 6349. 6349. Now, as we are doing for thousands, we will consider the digit at 100 place. So let us write it. 6349. Place values ones, tens, 100, 1000. So I said we will consider the digit at hundreds place. The digit at 100 place is 3. We will compare 3 with 5. As 3 is less than 5. This value lies between 6000 to 7000. So less than means it is rounded to, yes, it is rounded to 6000. Rounded down to 6000. Right? Let us move to next. That is 57,210. 57,210. Again, we will consider the digit at hundreds place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is 10,000. The digit at 100 place is 2. We will compare 2 with 5. As 2 is less than 5. This is thousands. So 57,210 lies between 57,000 to 58,000. But here 2 is less than 5. We said less than means we will go to the left side, round it down. So it is 57,000. So 57,210 is rounded down to 57,000. Right? So first one, rounded 3 is less than 5, so it has been rounded down to 6,000. And here 2 is also less than 5, so it has rounded down to 57,000. Hope it is very clear how to do rounding off to tens, rounding off to 100 and 1000. I request your homework will be from first bit CD, you just try CD, even second bit you do CD, and third bit C. 2 are enough. Right? Rounding off to numbers nearest to 10, 100 and 1000. So with this we are here at the end of our concept. That is rounding off numbers, and we have done our exercise 2.5. Hope it is very clear how to do rounding off to numbers. We will meet in our next class.